My name is Brian Regan, and I'm a co-founder of Strake. Today, I'm going to give you a quick demo of the AWS Pricing add-on for Google Sheets. This is an open source project that makes it easy for you and your team to analyze Amazon Web Services public pricing in Google Sheets. With this add-on, your team can collaborate on planning new development projects, analyzing your current cloud costs, and making more effective reservations. Let's take a look at how AWS Pricing by Strake works. You can download AWS Pricing by Strake from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Once you've completed this installation process, you can open a Google spreadsheet, go to Extensions, and under AWS Pricing by Strake, click on How to use AWS Pricing to open the sidebar. This sidebar has detailed documentation on all the functions available to you. We also have detailed documentation for the function you are currently working on. You'll see all of the function parameters, as well as sample values while you're working on your formula. Now we can run an example with this EC2 function to search for an on-demand M5 large EC2 instance in US East 1 running Linux. And if we hit enter, you'll see AWS Pricing by Strake returns $0.096 per hour for this resource. We've created some templates to help you get the most out of AWS Pricing by Strake. You can find these on our website. This example calculates on-demand and reserved instance prices for an EC2 instance. For example, I could look up the price of an R5 2x large instance in US East 1 and look up the price for that same instance in EU West 1. Now what you're going to see is different on-demand rates, different reserved instance rates, and even different reserved instance discounts. And that was a demo of AWS Pricing by Strake. As a reminder, you can download AWS Pricing by Strake from the Google Workspace Marketplace. For resources, like the EC2 template we just saw, you can visit Strake's website. And for any other questions, feedback, or just to talk to a member of the Strake team, you can join our Slack community. Thank you very much. We look forward to hearing from you.